Hi to everybody. Today I still working with that same sand, gravel, and I use a ball mill to crush it. And I right now do classifying. All this material goes to classify, and 100 mesh. I want to see how much gold is get, and I try to use. Everybody hates this, but this is a mercury. So I want to check that mercury collects that gold, which one is in this sand. So let me work right now. I use all this past the classifier, and I go pan it, and I be panning different way. I show you in few minutes. I be using some tools to pan it, and we'll see what I catch it. Okay, and we'll see how everything works. Okay, so let me work and I show you what's been. So I set everything up. It's a battery connected tire regulator, faster, slower. Here is our bucket, water pump underneath, pumping water here spinning, and you see in the middle, if you can see, it's a black spot where it's heavy material collects. Okay, so right now I be sending all this sand to the bucket and see how everything works. Heavy material supposed to collect in the middle. All light material must go out. Okay, gold is heavy, so it's supposed to stay in the middle. And on the side, the bucket, I have two holes where water goes out. It's taking out all this light material, which one is in the sand. Okay, and circulates, so we'll see how everything separates. And this I do because I don't want to work with this useless dirt, which one is in this sand too. After ball mill, everything is super small, is super light, and heavy material goes down, and light material goes out, or heavy material sinks to the bottom and stays. Holes is like 5 inches or 4 inches up from the bottom. So we'll see how it works, how much I can separate, and then later on I test that dirt, which one I catch in this pan, and see what kind of stuff I get it over there. So let me work. This all material, I need to put it in and see how fast and how good separation. So I want to get rid of this sand first, which one is no worth nothing there in that sand. Yes, maybe microscopic gold, but this is next time I check this one. So right now I need to heavy from light separate, and we will see what's happening. Let me work. When I finish, then I show you results. So far everything going all right. I have about maybe 2 or 3 pounds of dirt. So everything going okay. On the bottom I don't feel too much material. Mostly is gone. I'm sometimes spinning with a spoon that agitate all this material, and we'll see how everything works. There's not so much left. I send it like about 2 or 3 pounds of this dust after ball mill. So right now I'm not important about my super small gold. This is not in of my mind right now. My mind is to catch pirates and gold, bigger pieces. Okay, all microscopic stays in this pan, and later on I remove the water when everything settles down and start looking for another microscopic gold in this one, dirt. So right now everything okay, it's left a little bit. So we'll see how everything works. And not spill so much on the bottom. Everything looks like doing everything like I say. In the middle looks like there is a little bit more stuff than on the sides, because this is spinning blue ball. Okay, it's the same way spinning, but all light material is on the top, goes away. All heavy material is on the bottom and it's supposed to stay in this bucket. So when I finish with this one, I put in clean water and we will see what we get it. So water got very dirty, all this light material, all this useless stuff, and that much I got in the bottom, if you can see. Very little bigger pieces. So right now I put it in clean water pump, and I be pumping clean water to see how much more comes out. So right now let's start and see what's happening. Okay, make a little bit bigger, so to clean this all material from the dirt. So this is this test. We'll see what's happening. Okay. Main thing, I need to have a little bit more clean this material. And this is experiment. Don't complain. I do experiment. So it looks like let him run a little bit. Let's not make dirt so much. So looks like okay. All light material is gone. You see nothing coming. All rest is on the bottom. So let's turn it off. Release the water. Disconnect pump. Pump is disconnected. So I don't need it anymore. Let's put on side. I need this pan now. So release the water. And you see heavy material, what's left, a lot less left in the bottom of this bucket. All light material is in this bucket, so let him settle down, then I release the water and collect all this dirt and put in the bottle again, spin it and let him settle down like supposed to be everything in layers. So right now what we do is put everything, this material in the pan and see what we got. A lot less material, and that is easy for me. And we'll see what kind of stuff. It's a lot of heavy, it don't even want to come out, you see? Some kind of heavies. Okay, bucket is done. See? Let's see. Now we're planning. What we know how to do it very well. Okay. Again, you see the black stuff over here. All the black stuff. And this is still sand, but it's still not crushed enough. So I be panning. I need 2 hands. I show you what I get. So what I see is this pirates. You see how much pirates? All these pirates left. That all black stuff is pirates. Sand is white color. Pirates is black. And I think I need to look in the microscope to see, maybe I see not even gold. Something I see yellow over here. No, it's okay. So right now I go look for with microscope, and then I see what I get. Okay, I see gold. It's little pieces, so small, but there is. Okay, let's continue panning. I want to get rid of this sand, and then I look in microscope what I see. So I finish with panning. What's left is the pirates. Okay, sand is gone, and pirate works like a black sand. It covers that gold underneath, because the pirates and black sand is the same density. So, and right now I can use nitric acid to remove this pirate, but I decided to try looking with the microscope what kind of gold I see, and then I put the mercury, and we'll see how much I can collect that gold. If there be very little, I don't even show you smelting or something, because this is microscopic gold and it's very little, like milligrams. So just point, can we remove gold without dissolving this pirate? Because pirate takes a lot of acid and poisons. If you use mercury collects all this gold, then I'm fine. I don't need to work with the pirates anymore. So they span it at this point and put the mercury and see what we get. So let me pan it and try to show you some gold if it's possible. Like you see, that's the biggest piece what I found, the gold. You see that yellow. But mostly gold is almost invisible. I try to show you. It's still pirates, a lot of pirates. But I don't think the gold coming with the pirates, inside the pirates. So I, right now, use the mercury, remove the gold, and then I use nitric acid to see what you see. The little, but they are looking dirty ones. Those gold pieces looks dirty. You see the pirates, they're still square ones. They're not crushed completely. Well, little piece of gold over here. See, there is gold, but mostly it's microscopic. It looks dirty, black with some kind of stuff. So right now I'll be putting mercury and sand everywhere where the gold is, and then I look again in microscope, and I decide, do I see the gold or not? If mercury collects this gold, then it's good. Then it's a lot less work. But if not collects, so then I need to use acids. Okay, let me put the mercury. So let's put the mercury. Okay, let's see. Mercury very fast collects the gold. If there is gold, is all gold be taken in few minutes, in seconds actually. Yes, I know mercury is poisonous, it's very dangerous, people die of that, but everybody using, so why I can't do it? Okay, and I'm working on very little amount, so I don't think so there'll be problem for me and my health. So you don't use this is just for me videos. I can see right away something gets stuck on this mercury because I can see the on the surface. Let me take the water away. Then I can show you. Oh, it's very dangerous. You see on the surface some kind of stuff is there. You see the gold pieces get stuck on mercury surface. Okay, now I collect everything back in the bottle and I panic and try to see, do we still have gold? Oh yeah, look, it's a lot of gold. I see that. Oh yeah, okay, let me stop moving. Actually, it's not listening to me. You see on the surface the yellow dots. Okay, let's see. Oh, here. You see the mercury collects a gold and that gold is dirty looking. And this is a gold piece. This is on the top of the mercury. Okay. So, okay. Let's see what we get it. Now I be looking in microscope to see do we still left gold, okay? So what I can say, I pan it, I look in a microscope, I don't see any single piece of gold left. So that means after ball mill, the gold gets a little bit cleaner and then mercury can stick to that gold, and I don't need to dissolve in the in nitric acid this stuff. So I'm happy. It's less work, less chemicals, and if you use your brains, you not get mercury poison too. So that much left pirate. I be going to put in Ajo Goldex, keep overnight, and we'll see tomorrow do I get any little bit more gold from there. But I look in the microscope and I didn't see nothing, no gold, not even smallest particle. So that means mercury works, did a good job, and I'm happy. So now I can work on big amounts of material, use the same technique to clean it and all this dirt. And well, here right now, so everything settled down, I throw the water away and I be working on this dirt to see do we still have gold in this place. Okay, if I don't see the gold in this place, so this is the technique to recover the gold from the ore, not just pyrite. And this is I use pyrites ore with a lot of pyrite, pyrite. But what here is the dirt what's left. Need to check it out too. So let him settle down a little bit longer. Well, mercury back in the bottle. So gold is inside the mercury. When I work a little bit more, then I make retort and I get the gold separated from mercury. But for right now, let him stay. That way I can collect the gold. So day today is nice. I was not even hot in one moment. And I'm enjoying this kind of weather. Not so cold, not so hot. So tomorrow I'll be doing another experiment and going back to the mine and be collecting just the quartz. And I try to use a ball mill like a rock crusher, and we'll see how this works for us. Okay, so thanks for watching. See you next time.